Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of the United Kingdom, a land steeped in rich history and vibrant culture. The UK is home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes and iconic landmarks that tell stories of centuries past. From the majestic cliffs of Dover to the enchanting streets of Edinburgh, each corner of this nation offers a unique glimpse into its heritage. One of the most remarkable sights is Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument that has puzzled historians and archaeologists for generations. This ancient stone circle not only captivates visitors with its mysterious origins but also serves as a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors. Moving on, we find the stunning architecture of the Tower of London, a fortress that has stood for over 1,000 years, witnessing the rise and fall of monarchs and the unfolding of pivotal moments in British history. In addition to these historical wonders, the UK boasts natural beauty that is equally awe-inspiring. The Lake District, with its serene lakes and rolling hills, has inspired poets and artists alike, making it a cherished destination for those seeking tranquility and inspiration. As we journey through these incredible places, we will delve into their cultural significance, exploring how they have shaped the identity of the UK and continue to influence its people today. Join us as we uncover the wonders that make the United Kingdom a treasure trove of history, culture, and breathtaking beauty. Stonehenge. The ancient marvel, Stonehenge stands as one of the most iconic and enigmatic monuments in the world, captivating the imagination of visitors and historians alike. Dating back to around 3000 BC, this prehistoric site is believed to have been constructed over several centuries, showcasing the remarkable engineering skills of our ancient ancestors. Theories surrounding its purpose range from a ceremonial site for ancient rituals to an astronomical observatory aligned with the solstices, sparking endless debate among scholars. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986, Stonehenge is celebrated not only for its architectural grandeur but also for its cultural significance. It serves as a symbol of Britain's prehistoric past, drawing millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at its massive stone circle and ponder its mysteries. The site is surrounded by a rich landscape of burial mounds and ancient pathways, further enhancing its historical context. Visitors to Stonehenge can immerse themselves in its allure through guided tours, which provide insights into its construction and the theories that have emerged over the years. The Visitor Center offers interactive exhibits and displays that delve into the lives of the people who built this remarkable structure, making the experience both educational and engaging. Nearby attractions, such as the ancient burial site of Avebury and the picturesque town of Salisbury, provide additional opportunities for exploration. Whether you're drawn by the mystery of its origins or the beauty of its surroundings, Stonehenge remains a must-visit destination that continues to inspire awe and curiosity in all who encounter it. The Tower of London. A royal fortress. The Tower of London is a captivating symbol of British history, serving multiple roles throughout the centuries as a royal palace, a formidable prison, and a treasury for the crown jewels. Established by William the Conqueror in 1066, this iconic fortress has witnessed pivotal moments in England's past, from royal ceremonies to dark tales of betrayal and imprisonment. As a royal palace, the tower was once a luxurious residence for monarchs, showcasing the grandeur of royal life. However, it is perhaps best known for its role as a prison, where many infamous figures met their fate. Notable prisoners include Anne Boleyn, the second wife of Henry VIII, who was executed on its grounds, and Sir Walter Raleigh, who spent years imprisoned within its walls. These stories of intrigue and tragedy add to the tower's allure, making it a fascinating destination for history enthusiasts. The Tower of London is also home to the Crown Jewels, a dazzling collection of royal regalia that includes the iconic imperial state crown and the Koh-i-Noor diamond. Visitors can marvel at these treasures, which symbolize the power and heritage of the British monarchy. Encouraging viewers to visit, the tower offers a range of exhibitions and guided tours that bring its rich history to life. From the yeoman warders, known as beefeaters, who share captivating tales of the tower's past, to the stunning architecture that surrounds you, exploring the Tower of London is an unforgettable experience that immerses you in the heart of British history. The Lake District. Nature's paradise. The Lake District is a breathtaking expanse of natural beauty, renowned for its stunning landscapes that captivate visitors from around the globe. Nestled in the northwest of England, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is characterized by its shimmering lakes, majestic mountains, and lush valleys, making it a true paradise for nature lovers. The region boasts over 16 lakes, including the largest, Lake Windermere, where visitors can enjoy serene boat rides or simply relax by the water's edge, soaking in the picturesque views. The Lake District is also home to some of England's highest peaks, such as Scafell Pike, which offers challenging hiking trails for adventurous souls. The network of walking paths, including the famous coast-to-coast walk, allows visitors to explore the diverse terrain, from tranquil lakeshores to rugged mountain ridges, providing a perfect backdrop for both leisurely strolls and exhilarating hikes. This enchanting landscape has inspired countless writers and poets, most notably William Wordsworth, who found solace and inspiration in its beauty. His poetry often reflects the deep connection he felt with the natural world around him, and visitors can explore sites like Dove Cottage, where he lived and wrote, to gain insight into his life and work. For those seeking outdoor activities, the Lake District offers a plethora of options, including kayaking, rock climbing, and cycling. Whether you're looking to immerse yourself in nature, explore literary history, or engage in thrilling adventures, the Lake District promises an unforgettable experience that showcases the best of England's natural wonders. Edinburgh. The historic capital. Edinburgh, the historic capital of Scotland, is a city that seamlessly blends charm and rich history, making it a must-visit destination for travelers. At the heart of the city stands the iconic Edinburgh Castle, perched atop Castle Rock. This formidable fortress has played a pivotal role in Scotland's history, serving as a royal residence and military stronghold. Visitors can explore its ancient halls, view the honors of Scotland, and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city below. Strolling down the Royal Mile, the main thoroughfare that connects the castle to the Palace of Holyrood House, visitors are treated to a vibrant mix of shops, restaurants, and historic sites. The cobbled streets are lined with charming buildings that tell tales of the city's past, from medieval times to the present day. Along the way, you can discover hidden closes and alleyways that add to the city's enchanting atmosphere. Edinburgh is also renowned for its festivals, most notably the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, the world's largest arts festival. Each August, the city comes alive with performances ranging from theater and comedy to music and dance, attracting artists and audiences from around the globe. This celebration of creativity showcases the city's dynamic cultural scene and offers something for everyone. Encouraging exploration of its rich cultural heritage, Edinburgh invites visitors to delve into its museums, galleries, and historic sites. Whether you're wandering through the historic Old Town, enjoying the beauty of the New Town, or taking in the stunning views from Arthur's Seat, Edinburgh promises an unforgettable experience filled with history, culture, and charm. The White Cliffs of Dover. A natural wonder. The White Cliffs of Dover are one of Britain's most iconic natural landmarks, standing as a powerful symbol of hope and resilience. Rising majestically from the English Channel, these striking chalk cliffs have long been associated with the spirit of Britain, serving as a welcoming sight for travelers arriving from across the sea. Historically, they have represented safety and strength, particularly during times of conflict, making them a poignant reminder of the nation's enduring character. Visitors to the cliffs are treated to breathtaking scenic views that stretch for miles, offering a stunning panorama of the coastline and the shimmering waters below. The cliffs themselves, with their brilliant white chalk face, create a dramatic contrast against the deep blue of the ocean, making it a photographer's paradise. The area is also home to a variety of walking paths, including the famous South Downs Way, which allows hikers to explore the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape while enjoying the fresh sea air. Encouraging viewers to appreciate their natural beauty, the White Cliffs of Dover offer a unique opportunity to connect with nature and history. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll along the clifftops or simply soaking in the views from a nearby vantage point, the experience is both calming and inspiring. As you stand before these majestic cliffs, you can't help but feel a sense of pride and connection to the rich heritage they represent. A visit to the White Cliffs of Dover is not just a journey through nature, it's a journey through time and a celebration of Britain's enduring spirit. In this video, we have journeyed through some of the most remarkable wonders of the United Kingdom, showcasing the incredible diversity and beauty that this nation has to offer. From the ancient mysteries of Stonehenge to the royal history of the Tower of London, and the breathtaking landscapes of the Lake District to the charming streets of Edinburgh, each location is steeped in rich heritage and captivating stories. The iconic White Cliffs of Dover stand as a testament to Britain's resilience and natural beauty, inviting all who visit to reflect on the history and culture that shape this remarkable land. We encourage you to explore these amazing places for yourself, as each destination offers a unique experience that can deepen your appreciation for the UK's rich tapestry of history and nature. Whether you're hiking along scenic trails, wandering through historic sites, or simply soaking in the stunning views, there is something for everyone to enjoy. If you found this video inspiring and informative, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more travel content that highlights the wonders of the world. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also be interested in discovering the beauty of the UK. Together, let's continue to explore and celebrate the incredible places that make our planet so special. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next adventure.